three of these points we know very well. If I were to label this A, B, C, and D, that's not a very good A. Let's try that. There we go. So we know A, the ordered pair of A is 0, 0. We know the ordered pair of B is 0, 36. We know C is not going to be well known right away. And we know that D has an ordered pair of 45, 0. So the only pair we really don't know is C. So C is an intersection of these two lines. So if I were to take a look at, looking just at the lines now, we're not looking at an inequality. So the first one is 2x plus 5y equals 180. If I were to take the second equation here, 3x plus 3y equals 135, and divided both sides of that equation by 3, right? If I went 3x plus 3y divided by 3, and 135 divided by 3, this would become x plus y equals 45. So here's my second equation, 1x plus 1y equals 45. Okay? If I were to take and multiply this equation by -2, right? So now I'm going to get -2x minus 2y equals -90. Now if I were to go ahead and take and add it to this first equation right here, I'm going to add that to the first equation. Okay, x's would drop out, and I would get 3y equals 90. Therefore, y is going to have to be 30. Okay, so we know then that my c, my y coordinate, is going to be 30. Now all I have to do is to find out what my x is. Alright, so if I have x plus y equals 45, I know that y is 30, so I have x plus 30 equals 45. Therefore, I know x is going to have to be 15. Alright, so this ordered pair right here is 15, 30. Alright, now that I have those 4 points, the coordinates of the 4 points, I'm going to apply my objective function. Alright, the profit is $500 per car and $700 per truck. Alright, so we're trying to figure out what combination of cars and trucks are going to maximize or give us the most profit. Alright, so if it's $500 per car, so now our equation, our profit equation, is going to be 500 times the number of cars plus 700 times the number of trucks is going to equal our profit. So with all these 4 points, we're going to plug the x and y coordinate into this equation and see which one of these is going to wind up giving us the most profit. So here we have 500 times 0 plus 700 times 0 equals 0. 0 profit. Here I have 500 times 0 plus 700 times 36, which is going to give us 25,200. Okay? Here I have 500 times 15 plus 700 times 30, and if I add those together, see, 15 times 500 times 15 is 7,500, and 700 times 3 is 21,000. So our total is going to be $28,500. And then finally, I have 500 times 45 plus 700 times 0. And this is going to bring in 22,500. So, looking at these different profits, we can see here that that's going to give us the best profit. So we know that if I make 15 cars and 30 trucks, that's going to bring us a maximum profit of $28,500.